In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert rows and columns into tables on a Reddit post. Let's get started by opening Reddit in your browser and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're ready to create your post, look for the button that lets you start a new post. This is usually labeled something like Create It or Create Post, and is often found near the top of the page or in the subreddit you want to post in. Go ahead and click on that so you can open the post editor. When the editor opens, you'll see a space where you can type your title and your main content. In the content area, you'll also see a formatting toolbar, similar to what you might find in a word processor. This toolbar has options for bold, italics, links, and other formatting tools. Among these icons, look for the one that represents a table. It usually looks like a small grid or a box made up of squares. Click on that table icon to start creating a table in your post. After clicking the table icon, Reddit will typically show a basic table setup or a small menu that lets you choose the initial number of rows and columns. You can start with a simple layout, like a few rows and columns, just to get your table onto the page. Once the table appears in the editor, click inside it so that it's active and selected. Now, to insert additional rows and columns, look for an option represented by 3 dots, often called the More Options or Menu button. This might appear either on the formatting toolbar or near the table when it's selected. Click on the 3 dots and a menu will open with extra options for editing your table. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Reddit will guide you through actions like inserting a row above or below, or inserting a column to the left or right. Carefully choose the option that matches what you want to do, and the editor will update your table automatically. If you make a mistake, you can usually undo it with the standard undo shortcut or by using the editor's undo button. Take your time to adjust the table until it looks the way you want. When you're happy with your rows, columns, and content, you can finish writing your post and then publish it to Reddit.